Hiya, Assalamu alaikum. Sajid is talking about his family. Let's learn to describe our own family using his help. Learn to describe your family in Urdu. Sajid ka khandaan. Sajid ka khandaan. Sajid's family. मेरा नाम साजिद है. मेरा नाम साजिद है. My name is Sajid. मेरे ख़ानदान में 5 लोग हैं. मेरे ख़ानदान में 5 लोग हैं. There are 5 people in my family. मेरे वालिद का नाम अकबर है. मेरे वालिद का नाम अकबर है. My dad's name is Akbar. मेरी वालिदा का नाम नाजिया है. मेरी वालिदा का नाम नाजिया है. My mum's name is नाजिया. मेरी बहन का नाम स्मेरा है. मेरी बहन का नाम स्मेरा है. My sister's name is स्मेरा. मेरे भाई का नाम हामिद है. मेरे भाई का नाम हामिद है. My brother's name is Hamid. You might have noticed I have color-coded these words. So, mera means my, naam means name, Sajid is Sajid, and hai is. Here is a paragraph about Sajid's family. Let's read it together. मेरा नाम साजिद है. मेरे ख़ानदान में कुल 5 लोग हैं. मेरे वालिद का नाम अकबर है. मेरी वालिदा का नाम नाजिया है. मेरी बहन का नाम सुमेरा है और मेरे भाई का नाम हामिद है. मेरे दादा पाकिस्तान में रहते हैं. उनका नाम खालिद है. मेरे नाना का नाम परवेज़ है. Tasks. Your first task is to learn to say 6 Urdu sentences about your family. Now look at these 2 sentences. मेरे नाना का नाम परवेज़ है. मेरे दादा पाकिस्तान में रहते हैं. I want you to write these 2 sentences in Roman Urdu. Now that's an example of Roman Urdu. Bhai is written like that. 5 बहन, लोग, वालिद, and मेरी. Now these words, these are Urdu words which I have written in Roman Urdu. And look at their meanings now. 5, brother, people, father, my, and sister. Now your job is to match these Urdu words with their English meanings. Let me do one for you as an example. So, bhai in English, it's going to be brother. So I've done one word for you. You're going to do remaining words yourself. Now look at these words. Log, ka, mere, meri, Pakistan, naam, hai, and walid. Now look at this paragraph. मेरा साजिद है. मेरे ख़ानदान में कुल 5 हैं. میرے کا نام اکبر ہے. میری والدہ کا نام نازیہ. بہن کا نام سمیرہ ہے اور میرے بھائی کا نام حامد ہے. میرے دادا میں رہتے ہیں. ان نام خالد ہے. نانا کا نام پرویز ہے. Now your job is this. You're going to complete this passage using these words. Now look at the first sentence. I'm going to complete the first sentence for you. So मेरा नाम साजिद है. So the missing word was naam. Now I've done one word for you. You're going to complete the remaining sentences using the remaining words. Answers. I'm going to tell you the answers to all the different tasks. Now, you may pause the video here, complete all the tasks, and when you're finished, you can check your work by looking at the answers. Here are the answers. Now, for first task, you can just look at your sentences and compare them with Sajid's sentences. Now, the second task was to write these sentences in Roman Urdu, and you can write them like this. The first sentence. मेरे नाना का नाम परवेज है. मेरे नाना का नाम परवेज है. The second sentence. मेरे दादा पाकिस्तान में रहते हैं. मेरे दादा पाकिस्तान में रहते हैं. So that task 2 done. The next task. भाई, 5, बहन, लोग, वालिद, and Mary. These were the Urdu words and these were their English meanings. Bhai, I already done this one for you. So bhai is brother. 5 is 5 in English. Behan is sister. Log is people. Walid is father. And Mary is my. When you're talking about feminine, you say Mary. When you're talking about masculine, we say Mera. So Mary is my feminine. Now task 4. I completed the first sentence for you. So Mera, number 1 was naam. मेरा नाम साजिद है. Then मेरे ख़ानदान में कुल 5. Number 2 was लोग हैं. Number 3, मेरे वालिद का नाम अकबर है. Then मेरी वालदा का नाम नाजिया है. So the sentence ends on है. Then the next sentence starts with this word. Number 5, मेरी बहन का नाम सुमेरा है और मेरे भाई का नाम हामिद है. Then मेरे दादा. Number 6 was पाकिस्तान. मेरे दादा पाकिस्तान में रहते हैं. उन. Number 7 का. उनका नाम खालिद है. Then number 8, मेरे नाना का नाम परवेज है. So these were the correct words. Now look at this picture that Sajid took some time ago. You can see Sajid's father, which is Walid. This one is his mother, which is Walida in Urdu. This must be his brother. So brother is Bhai. And last one, sister, which is Behan. Now, our today's video ends here now. So, goodbye, Allah Hafiz, and have a nice day.